sticky the other day, it said Jesus was coming. Thought there must be something he missed. I'm guessing he gets back and sees what happened. Man, is he gonna be pissed. He said, if I don't turn from my evil ways and repent, I'm gonna burn in hell. But if heaven's eternity with guys like you, burn in hell, I might as well. Your bracelet reads, well, what did Jesus do? And apparently he's good friends with you. That scares the hell out of me, 'cause I think you're a dick. I always wondered, what would LL Cool J do? 'Cause the ladies love him, and I do too. Besides, he ain't nothing like you. Wouldn't it be great if I had LL's personal cell phone number, so I could just give him a call? I'd be like, hey L, buddy, it's me and I'm bored. Let's go to the mall. They'd probably pick me up at my mom's house in some really expensive convertible car. They'd probably drive real slow and freestyle rap about his rims. I backed him up on my guitar. Your bracelet reads, what